Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how I use the compressed air, fuel and water to produce gas. Now firstly, I used a machine that they used to put air into tires, and I filled my bottle of gas with it. So after then I now made some connections with fuel, water, and I came out with something like this. Now in this bottle we have a compressed air. In the little box we have a container with half liter of fuel and another bottle with half liter of water. So I did some connections, and as you see, and the last bottle contains nothing, just empty. Now after we open the bottle with the compressed air, the air will go into the bottle that contains fuel. The air will come into the water, which will now finally come as a gas on the pipe that is at the end. So let's see how it goes. This is where I did the first test, where I opened the gas bottle that contains compressed air, and this is what happened. So let's see the flame that will come after the compressed air must have entered into the fuel and the water, and then finally give something like this. So this is quite simple for anybody who wants to do this at home. It's quite simple, and I must say it's not dangerous as people might think. You might use your compressed air and everything will go very smoothly. Thank you very much for watching. This is the end result of my project. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you very much.